Padmasana is considered an intermediate to advanced level asana due to significant hip flexibility and knee mobility required to achieve the full posture. It is a meditative group of asana. Before we jump into the practice, let us do some loosening warm-up and asanas to have enough ankle, knee and hip joint flexibility to go and be in the posture effortlessly. Because you see, these three are the important joints for Padmasana. So let's get into the practice.
Our first practice for hip joint loosening is butterfly pose. Keep the heels as close to the perineum as possible. Grasp the feet with both the hands. Spine straight, chest out. Now flap your knees. Flap them slowly and gently. Do it for at least 30 seconds. Now breathe in and bring yourself down while breathing out. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. If you cannot touch the floor, place your forehead on a block. This would open your hip joints. Slowly come up, inhaling. Now let's move to our next practice, Hindulasana or baby cradle pose. Fold your leg, bring it close to your chest. Cradle it left to right like a baby. Now stop cradling and just hold the leg close to your chest. Hold it for at least 30 seconds. Practice with both the legs. This is a great practice for your hips, glutes, groins, as well as knees. Go slow with deep mindful inhalation and exhalation. For the next practice, hold your legs in 90-90 position. Move left and right to touch the floor with both the knees. This is very effective to achieve hip mobility. Try to touch both the knees on the ground. Now lie down on your back. With one leg, make big full circle. The other leg pressed on the mat. Rotate in both the direction. The more open your hip joint, the better your Padmasana. Rotate the other leg as well. Rotate in both the direction. Make full big circle. If you find it hard to lift your legs up and rotate, then you can place your palms under the hips for support. Your ankle joints are also important for Padmasana. Without ankle flexibility, you won't be able to hold the asana for long. So rotating your feet is another easy practice that would facilitate this posture. Do with both the feet and rotate in both the direction. Now few kicks to make your knees more easy to move. It facilitates your flexion. This practice is optional. These side lunges may be hard for some, so you can totally skip this or try with the support of both the hands. Just support your body with both the hands. Now our joints are warm and easy. So let's try to do Purna Padmasana. As mentioned earlier, support your legs with both the hands and take care that your calf muscle and inner thigh muscle touch each other. You can hold the posture in Chin Mudra, Adi Mudra, Mahamudra or any other Hasta Mudra for meditation. Keep your spine straight, eyes closed. Purna Padmasana. Slowly release.
I hope these practices and tips would help you go into Purna Padmasana. Now let us know the important points to be taken care of while going into the posture. You see, our knee is a hinge joint like a door or window. It doesn't have the potential to move into many directions like your wrist, your hip, your shoulder. It allows only extension and flexion. And you have to keep that in mind. You don't twist your knee while you are doing the flexion. That is while you are folding your legs for going into Padmasana. For that, you must keep in mind that while folding, your calf muscle and your inner thigh muscle must touch each other. You can just first fold it like this and then gently drop it. And with the other leg, fold it, support it with both the hands. There you go, Purna Padmasana. Supporting with both the hands would support your knees and you will not twist your knees. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow my channel for more such content. Now let's wrap up with some words on its benefits. Padmasana allows the body to be steady for a long time. That's why it is recommended for sitting in meditation. If you cannot yet achieve the full posture, Ardha Padmasana with just one leg lifted up like this would be also beneficial. When you sit steady, our body is steady and our mind also becomes steady and it induces meditation. Now some words about its contraindications. Those having sciatica or weak or injured knees should not perform this asana. This asana should not be done forcefully until proper flexibility has been achieved by the preparatory practices. This asana is also not advisable during pregnancy as the circulation in the leg area is significantly reduced. So this is all about Purna Padmasana. I wish this will help you with your practice. My comment section is waiting to hear from you. Thank you. Sangachhadwam. Let's grow together.